Salesforce has officially assigned a code to this certification. It's the Salesforce Financial Services Cloud Accredited Professional, AP-208. Quick update. You'll register and take this exam via Trailhead Academy, with options to test online or at a testing center. Here are the facts that matter. 60 multiple-choice questions, 90 minutes, passing score 65%, and the exam fee is $200. Retakes are also $200. Build your study plan around these domains: industry knowledge and data modeling, 18%, financial services cloud implementation, 25%, integration and data management, 20%, business capabilities and use cases, 22%, and security and compliance, 15%. And stay tuned, because in this video, we'll also solve 10 practice questions together to help you get exam ready.
All right, let's start with this one. A wealth management firm using Financial Services Cloud needs to track multiple household members, their investment accounts, and related financial goals in a single view. Which object model feature supports this? A. Business account hierarchies with manual lookups. B. Person accounts with financial account and financial goal objects linked to households. C. Custom objects to track household relationships and accounts. Correct answer is B. Person accounts with financial account and financial goal objects linked to households. Here's why. Financial Services Cloud provides native objects like person account, household, financial account, and financial goal to model customer relationships without the need for custom objects. Next up, an advisor wants to see a client's life insurance policy alongside their checking account in a unified dashboard. Which Financial Services Cloud feature should be used? A. Action plans. B. Financial account object with subtypes. Or C. Custom opportunity stages. Correct answer is B. Financial account object with subtypes. Here's why. The financial account object in FSC supports subtypes like insurance, banking, and investment. That way, all financial products can be unified and displayed together in one dashboard. Here's the next one. To comply with GDPR, a client requests that their personal data be removed while retaining financial transactions for auditing. What is the best approach? A. Delete the client's person account and all related records. B. Anonymize or pseudonymize personal data fields while retaining transactional records. Or C. Archive all data outside Salesforce. The correct answer is B. Anonymize or pseudonymize personal data fields while retaining transactional records. Here's why. GDPR allows anonymization to preserve audit requirements while removing identifiable personal data, which aligns with compliance needs. All right, moving on. An advisor team wants consistent onboarding steps for every new client, including KYC and risk profiling. Which feature provides repeatable task automation? A. Action plans. B. Flows triggered by record creation. C. Checklists on dashboards. Correct answer is A. Action plans. Here's why. Action plans provide templated, repeatable task sets that can be applied to records for consistent onboarding and compliance processes. Next question. Which integration pattern best ensures daily synchronization of financial account balances from a core banking system into Salesforce without API timeouts? A. Event-driven updates using streaming API. B. Batch ETL process moving data overnight into financial account records. Or C. Synchronous REST call for each account on login. The correct answer is B. Batch ETL process overnight. Here's why. Large-scale balance synchronization is better handled via scheduled ETL jobs that avoid real-time performance bottlenecks. All right, here's the next one. Advisors need a holistic client view showing financial goals, insurance policies, and investment portfolios. What configuration is recommended? A. Enable Client 360 with household, financial goals, and financial accounts components. B. Custom Visual Force dashboard pulling data from multiple objects. Or C, use opportunity records for all financial products? The correct answer is A, Client 360 with household, financial goals, and financial accounts. Here's why. Financial Services Cloud provides Client 360 dashboards that aggregate related FSC objects, eliminating the need for heavy customization.
Let's move forward. An advisor wants to automate the process of collecting KYC documents before creating an investment account. Which tool is most appropriate? A. Validation rules. B. ScreenFlow embedded in a record page. Or C. Custom Apex trigger. Correct answer is B. ScreenFlow embedded in a record page. Here's why. ScreenFlows guide users through data collection steps interactively and enforce process compliance without heavy coding. Here's the next one. Which data model design best supports capturing joint ownership of an investment account by two household members? A. Link the financial account to only one primary person account. B. Use the financial account role object to associate multiple owners to the same account. Or C. Duplicate the account for each owner. Correct answer is B. Financial account role object. Here's why. The financial account role object allows multiple person accounts to be linked to a single financial account with role definitions like owner or beneficiary. Next up, a compliance officer needs a daily report of high-risk client profiles based on KYC attributes. Which solution is recommended? A. Einstein Discovery with predictive scoring. B. Scheduled reports or dashboards filtered by KYC fields. Or C. Custom Apex batch class exporting data. Correct answer is B. Scheduled reports or dashboards filtered by KYC fields. Here's why. Standard Salesforce reporting tools can schedule filtered reports to provide compliance teams with daily visibility without custom code. And here's our final one. During a large-scale rollout, the implementation team wants to minimize risk by gradually enabling Financial Services Cloud features to specific advisor groups. What strategy should be used? A. Directly assign all permissions to every advisor at go live. B. Use permission sets and feature toggles to enable functions incrementally. Or C. Clone profiles for each feature and reassign users. Correct answer is B. Permission sets and feature toggles. Here's why. Permission sets and toggles allow gradual enablement of functionality, reducing rollout risk and enabling controlled adoption.